on the bills that the chairman has very ambitiously put forward for our agenda today. Napakarami po eh. And these has to do with media by and large, as well as the Eddie Garcia Act, as it were. Firstly, I would like to understand very clearly the coverage by all media workers and entities in the private sector. Ang ibig po ba sabihin online and digital or internet transactions, etc. kasama? Paano yung advertising, below the line, billboard, outdoor at iba pa? Higit sa lahat, nagtatanong rin yung nasa government sector, bakit hindi daw sila kasali samantalang media rin naman daw sila. So, isang tanong yon, perhaps we can address that in the following testimonies of our various resource persons. The other issue here, I think it will be exceedingly contentious.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.